Healthy eating is very important for growing kids. Helping kids eat healthy is one of the best things parents can do for their growth and well-being. Luckily, there are easy and fun ways to build healthy eating habits that your kids can enjoy for life. Kids learn by watching their parents. If you eat healthy foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, your child will be more likely to do the same. Kids love food that looks fun. Use bright colors, cut fruits and veggies into shapes, or create fun designs with food. The more fun it looks, the more likely they are to try it. Serve a variety of healthy foods to give your kids more choices. Try to include different colors and flavors so they do not get bored with the same meals. Do not overwhelm kids with too much food. Start with small portions and let them ask for more if they are still hungry. This helps them listen to their own hunger cues. Each meal should include a mix of different food groups: fruits, vegetables, protein, and whole grains. This gives them all the nutrients they need to grow strong. Eating at the same time every day helps kids develop a healthy routine. They will learn when to expect meals and snacks, which helps prevent overeating or missing meals. Let kids help with meal prepare. They can wash vegetables and mix ingredients. When they are involved, they may be more excited to eat the food they helped prepare. If your child does not like a certain food, do not give up. Keep offering it in small amounts alongside foods they enjoy. It can take time for kids to develop a taste for new foods. Make sure there are healthy snacks like fresh fruit, veggie sticks, or nuts within reach. This helps kids make better choices when they get hungry between meals. Water is the healthiest drink for kids. Encourage your child to drink water throughout the day, and try to limit sugary drinks. Make mealtimes relaxed and enjoyable. A happy mealtime can encourage healthy eating habits. When your child makes a healthy food choice, praise them. Positive reinforcement can help them feel proud of their healthy habits and encourage them to keep it up. Some kids are picky eaters, and that is okay. Keep offering a variety of healthy foods, and try not to pressure them to eat. It is normal for kids to take time to try new foods. Make healthier versions of foods your child already loves. Bake homemade fries instead of buying fried ones, or make smoothies instead of sugary drinks. Fast food should be an occasional treat, not a regular meal. Instead, try preparing quick and healthy meals at home that are just as tasty. So, by following these simple steps, you can help your child develop healthy eating habits that will last a lifetime.